is this?
Rolls Royce.
No, it's not a Rolls Royce. What is it? Huh?
Symbol shake it Bentley.
It's not a Bentley either. What is it?
Bentley.
It's not a Bentley, dude. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video as well if you can. And while you're at it, check out these guys who also sponsor my content. I am deeply grateful to them because it helps me to buy new equipment, put fuel in the cars, and yes, buy a cup of coffee. You can do the same. Just go here or right here on YouTube. Just hit these three little dots down here and click on thanks. Make sure you're signed in first. My content is free, but this is how you can help me keep it that way. I may even send you a gift. Oh, by the way, watch this next.